All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab is in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with a Black Mirror design, Death Engine, here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little fella. But hey, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And you know what? You can leave me a comment down below. Actually, flood the comment section. You can also check out fablades.com if you are into knives or fidget toys like this fella right over here, which comes with this brown hard case. It has 4 flaps, which are all right. I mean, they can come off like easily after a while, and boom, here you get to see this fella right over here. It comes with the certificate of authenticity, Death Engine, titanium and brass. This is the number, the serial number, and that's just the packaging that this guy comes with. And right over here you find this little cutie right there. Let's quickly check the size first of all. Let's say like the tallest part right over here is going to be 1.62 inches. The width is going to be 1.45, and let's say thickness right over here 0.32 inches. Let's see just another couple of toys right over here. I want to show you this guy right there, Zirk armor slider, another Black Mirror design, actually pretty cool. That's the chocolate. If you are wondering what I have here, like Timb, that's pretty cool. The bullet haptic coin. Some other pretty cool one. That's the Lauti mini dealer. Ambori haptic coin. That's the full size. That's the medium size, so you can see the comparison right there. Let me show you just a couple of big boys. That's the Muji capsule spinner, and this big boy, look at that. That's the pill bug from Go Bigger. That's it. I'm just gonna show you a couple sliders here. Mahjong version 2 from Tom EDC, and of course that's the Bulletproof Shield by One Studio, and you get the idea of the size of this toy right over here. Titanium brass. It's nicely done. It is a slider, first of all, and it's interesting how it has been made. There's 2 sides basically. One side is holding the magnets and the other side is kind of like the cover. So this central part, it just comes off, has 7 magnets on the back, and there's a structure underneath this brass plate of magnets as well to attract this fella in place right there. This thing reminds me a little bit of the triple striped knives toy that I reviewed a while ago, which has a base and an object freely moving on the surface. This guy has these kind of walls which are retaining this thing from falling off. You can push it further that direction, and that was the only nitpick that I had with his design of triple striped knives. This design solves that problem. It has a nice lanyard hole here. You can use it as a keychain, so its magnets are pretty strong, so this guy won't fall off. You got 3 T8 Torx bit screws, I bet they are T8, to take this guy apart if you are interested. Target sign on the back, and it's pretty neat. I love the skull design, and these lines here are also nicely done. They are indented, as you can maybe see, and this is like, I just really played a little bit, but I can see this guy scratching a little bit. So basically, as you can see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 positions for the central piece, which is moving with your thumb, and there's a little click when the piece actually hits the walls, but it's very subdued. It's not loud by any means, but for sure it's going to be scratching these the part underneath with use. But it's fine because you enjoyed it. So that's the point of this toy. It's pretty cool. The sound is not that loud. Let's check the weight because this guy is not weighing that much. Here we go. 1.2 ounces. I mean, this is pretty reasonable for this kind of toy, nicely chamfered. I like the fact that there are screws like holding the piece together. Probably these are not really for treats because they seem a little bit small, but they might be good for treats vials or like the UV fluorescent tubes. You can just maybe cut them out and just glue them in. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this fella, because it's a pretty neat one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.